My Mealshake travel system. This one is Soup Spice. This one is vegan protein powder. This one is meal shake powder, custom made by me, which contains vegan protein powder plus half a portion of egg powder for every scoop of this, or for every kilogram of this. Then for every 10 scoops of this, so a scoop looks like this here, I add 2 tablespoons of a soup spice, which contains therefore a couple of vegetables, but also contains, well, a little bit of salt. Then I have these two. So this is approximately, each shaker contains 300 grams. This is now 500 grams, and these are each a kilogram. Now I will take them and put them into the corresponding places. This is my normal rucksack. On the outside I have a meal shaker, which is the same shaker, but filled with water and ready for meals. Then have one in which I fill just water and electrolytes in order for me to have also a water bottle. The shakers are approximately, I think, 500 to maybe 600 milliliters in terms of the volume. So I then can have basically 1.5 liter approximately of water stored in here. And then if I want a meal, then I obviously also drink the water that is in there. I just add basically the meal powder on top of it. The next two go into my emergency rucksack, which has the purpose that in case of emergency, I have this ready, basically right next to my entry door. And so if there is an emergency, now then I have additionally food with me. In addition to maybe a second pant and maybe a couple of other things. But this is kind of what I take with me when I'm having this and need additional storage space, or in case of emergency. But of course, now I haven't had that many fires in my house, so I don't know if I actually would be able to grab it. And all of these things now go into my travel bag, which is also close to my entry door, because if there is something, I mean, if I want to travel with this bag, then I need to have it ready already, so it's kind of always packed. That has been kind of a habit I try to introduce slowly, and I try to have maybe multiple sets of items such that I don't have to pack when I actually want to go somewhere. And the same is true for my rucksack, which already contains kind of a hygiene portion with toothbrush and so on and so forth. So this is how it fits in there, and then I have the additional soup spice, which then fits somewhere in here. I also have a stack of supplements in here. I also have a stack of supplements in my rucksack.